Welcome to Plants Lanka, Pedruheva. Today I am going to explain you about Karapincha. Episode number 33. Curry leaves are scientifically known as Muraya koinigi. Karapincha is an indispensable natural flavor enhancer in food preparation today. It also has a very high medicinal as well as nutritional value. The aromatic curry leaves are seen in the form of pears on the branches of the tree. The plant produces small white flowers which can pollinate themselves, and it produces small, black, shiny, semi-globose fruits with a single large seed. Though the fruits are fleshy and edible, neither the flower nor the fruits are used for culinary purpose. Curry leaves are a part of the same family as citrus fruits. Their glossy green leaves are very aromatic and they have a unique flavor all their own. I know everybody like to eat ulundu vada. For that you can make tasty sambal from curry leaves. 1 cup of curry leaves, 1/4 cup of fresh ginger, juice of 1 lime, toasted cumin, 2 green chilies. You can adjust as per your taste, and salt to taste. Process these in a food processor until smooth. Enjoy with ulundu vada. Whole sprigs of fresh curry leaves are often quickly fried because they can burn in seconds in ghee or oil with other spices such as mustard. The aromatic curry leaves are seen in the form of pears on the branches of the tree. You can add green chilies, pepper seeds and cumin and stir into any curry. They are delicious with chopped tomatoes or fresh corn. Try grinding the leaves with coconut, chilies, salt, you can add shallots, and make chutney. Add tamarind also. The leaves having an aromatic similar to bay leaves, slightly small in size, are also termed as Indian bay leaves. The aromatic scent of these leaves is due to the high content of essential volatile oils that get extracted through steam distillation method, and this essential oil is used in healing skin disorders. Curry leaves have a distinct bitter and pungent taste with acidic undertones. The leaves are not only sought after for their aromatic flavor in the foods, but also enhance the health benefits of the meal, making it more appealing. For traditional Chinese treatments, They use their medicinal properties in treating diabetes, diarrhea, gastrointestinal disorders, etc. The extract from the curry leaves have an active constituent which is anti-diabetic in nature and hence are widely used for the treatment of diabetes. The paste from the dry grounded leaves also have anti-helminthic, antifungal and antibacterial properties which are potent against various infections and skin disorders. In the prime times, the curry leaf branches have played a significant role in good oral hygiene. The thin twigs or branches were used as a Dayton, a teeth cleaning twig, is a tool made from a twig from a tree. It can help to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Shoot growing from a branch or stem of a tree or shrub. It's like a natural toothbrush for cleaning the teeth, strengthening the teeth and gums and protecting them from harmful bacteria and airborne microbes. These days in modern Ayurvedic treatments, the power of the leaves or the raw leaves are being used as tooth powder for preventing good oral health. Curry leaves play a pivotal role in the field of weight loss. The leaves, when eaten raw or consumed as juice, serves as a detox drink to cleanse body from within, burn fat, reduce bad cholesterol and enhance digestion. Taking curry leaves regularly is bound to show promising result. Pluck 30 to 40 fresh curry leaves and add this magic drink to your daily regime. If you apply curry leaves oil to your head, it is very good treatment for hair loss. Take 100 milliliter of oil, coconut oil, and add 50 gram of curry leaves and simmer for 10 minutes. Keep it cool. When it becomes normal temperature, you can apply. You can massage your head. I think I have told you so many. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.